Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a summer special occasion look. This is something you can wear for a party, for a wedding. The emphasis is on the eyes. I'm going to do my skin first. I'm going to start with a liquid illuminator. This one is by L'Oreal and the color I'm using is a really nice coppery pink color. You can use this all over the face. It just gives you that beautiful all over glow. Next, I'm going to use the Milani Conceal and Perfec foundation. Now, I'm using this for two reasons. The first being this is pretty long lasting, which is just a prerequisite for the summer. And the second reason is that this has pretty good coverage, so it's quite good for a special occasion when you're going to be photographed. I'm using this all over the face and I'm using it with a beauty blender so that I get a nice even finish without getting a cakey look. Next, I'm using Lakme Absolute Ultimate Kajal in the shade Ash Brown. Now this works really well as a kajal, but it doubles up quite nicely as an eyebrow pencil as well. So I'm using this to fill in my brows. Next, I'm using this face palette by Maybelline. I'm using that contour shade, which is a really nice warm brown, and I'm using it just to add some definition to the outer corner as well as the crease of my eye, and that is really all the eyeshadow work I'm going to do. I'm going to go in with a green kajal. This one is from L'Oreal Paris. I'm going to apply it quite thickly along my lower waterline and lower lash lines. I'm going to smudge it out a little bit and use that same brown contour shade just to smoke it out and give it a more sultry look. Next, I'm going to use this turquoise sparkly metallic liquid liner by Maybelline, and this is really the star of the look. I'm going to apply it along my upper lash line. I feel like I can go a little smokier along my lower lash line, so I'm adding a little more kajal, a little more of that contour shade, and then finishing it off by curling my lashes and applying 2 coats of mascara. Now for my under eye, I'm mixing 2 concealers just to get the right shade. I've used the L'Oreal True Match along with the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind, and I've gone a little heavier on the concealer just because it's a special occasion look and you're going to be photographed. You're also wearing pretty smoky lower lash line makeup, so going just a little heavier on the under eye concealer can just help you look a little fresher in pictures. Now I'm going to use this contouring palette by Wet n Wild. I really like the contour shade, and I'm using the highlighting shade for setting my under eye, but I forgot to shoot that, so I've just mentioned it. You can see the contour shade is working pretty nicely for me. For the lips, I'm using a liquid matte lipstick. This is the shade Madras-Kaapi. This is my favorite nude at the moment, a really nice warm light brown color. For the cheeks, I'm adding a little bit of Milani Dolce pink just for a hint of color, and to highlight I'm using one of the Nykaa highlighters. The golden shade from this one is my absolute favorite, especially when I'm doing like warm toned makeup. It just looks really good on the Indian skin. And I'm using the same to highlight my inner corners as well. Then I'm going to use the NYX Matte Finish Spray, which is something I don't usually use, but since it's a long wearing special occasion makeup, I think using a matte finish spray just helps keeps things in place, also keeps oil in check. And that is the final finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video. All the products are available on Nykaa. I'm going to put the links below. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.